roadmap. So who are you?
My name is Daniel Kim. I'm the founder, president, and CTO of Lit Motors. And what we do is we take the romance and the efficiency of a motorcycle and we combine that with the safety and the comfort of a car. So behind us is our first alpha prototype. So right now, if you get down low, you can kind of see that.
I can see what, sorry?
That is self-balancing.
Oh, it's balancing. And if I push, it's not gonna fall? Hey, is it always gonna balance? It's not gonna fall?
What are you gonna do to it?
So what is it? How steady is it? Nice. So what's in there?
I'll get on the other side. Yeah. So there are two large gyros on the inside. Well, if you want to stand over there, what I can show you.
Yeah.
So just get lower. All right, we're gonna do a little bumpy. We're gonna do this thing. Ready? Ready? Do this activity. So right now it's very loud. And so it's all.
So gyros and what's in here behind?
So this is all the electronics. So there's an ARM processor in the back.
ARM processors?
Yes. So we're basically developing this like a rolling smartphone.
Rolling smartphone. So what kind of ARM processor do you use?
So right now, Andrew would know that better.
The guy over there or here?
Yeah, he's our electrical engineer. So Andrew, what ARM processors are in here?
There's no ARM processor on this board.
And this one, oh, the next one.
The next one, yeah.
The next one, what are they gonna use?
Probably an ARM 9.
ARM 9?
Yep.
From Freescale or something? Or?
Freescale, Atmel, any of your favorite, or we'll have some system on a chip, who knows.
What do you have right now in here?
Right now there's a lab view.
Down a little bit?
Yeah. Right now there's a National Instruments box in there. It has an i5 and a very large FPGA.
FPGA?
Yep.
And how much power does it consume?
The processor?
The whole system.
The whole system.
Like, what's the range? Is there a range?
The
Does it
range?
actually work?
Yeah, the range of this thing's somewhere over 100 miles at this point, but this is a prototype.
100 miles, prototype, the first prototype. Where did you make this?
Where do we make this?
Yeah.
San Francisco.
San Francisco, around here?
7th and Folsom.
7 Folsom, is that your headquarters?
That's the headquarters, World HQ, 3-story Lit Motors factory laboratory.
So you are engineer?
Engineer.
And how long does it take you to make this?
Oh, this has been a couple years in the works, but it's been incremental. You start small and get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
So who designed it? How do you design this? Can you come over here?
Sure.
Yeah.
It's a mixture of industrial design, engineering, human factors, basically all the process you go through to make a product that people love.
All right. So when is it going to be mass manufactured? What's the plan?
We got another couple of years of engineering work before it's really ready to go into small scale production. By a couple, I mean a year, 2 years or so, and then another couple years after that to scale it into big manufacturing.
All right. Do you think billions of people are going to use this? Millions? What?
I hope millions, maybe billions. Billions sounds a little bit aggressive though.
Yeah,
millions for sure.
For sure. This is. It reminds me of Batman.
Yeah,
anything to do with the Batman thing?
There's people that have sent us like themselves like in Batman costumes requesting the car already.
Yeah. All right. How soon can people buy it, did you say?
You can pre-order it now.
You can pre-order, but it's only 2 years?
It's going to be a little while.
And what is the estimated price?
The first round, the first 1,000, we're targeting at 24K.
All right. Cool. Just electric.
All electric.
What is the sound coming out of it right now?
That's the gyroscope spinning, but that's because we've made no attempt to make it quiet. This is just the way it sounds.
Where is it?
They're under the seat.
Under the seat here.
Right here.
What is that?
This?
Yeah?
That's the big red button. That's the key. That's the switch.
It never falls? It never falls?
Only if we do something stupid like, I don't know.
But it doesn't break if it falls a little bit?
No, there's landing gear if something goes terribly wrong. As things do, as prototypes go, some things break, and periodically we lose stability. These landing gear come and save it from falling, which is why it doesn't look all beaten up at this point.
Where have you been showing this? Since when do you have it like this?
It's been running. It's been running and driving this like limited driving state since early September, and we did a hardware revision sometime in the middle of September, and now we're actively working on a new set of controls algorithms to make it super stable, super drivable, so we can let people like you drive it.
Nice. Cool. What are the big motorbike and car companies saying about this? They've seen it, no?
They've seen
and all
it.
these guys.
I can't tell you what they say, but they've seen it for sure.
They think it's cool.
Oh, they think it's cool for sure.
How about Elon Musk? Has he seen it?
I hope he has.
All right.
If you want, I can offer him a personal invitation to come to the lab right now.
Yeah, let's send him the link.
Okay.